Alright guys, this is Chuck, Battlestyle SPL. I started this video on my phone and the lighting was just horrible. So now I'm using a tablet and it really doesn't look like it's much better. So bear with me here. What I have is Aoshima Granchan set. This is series number 5. And it has all of these cars that are in here, and hopefully there's also a chase piece, I guess. So if I get one that doesn't match one that's on the box, then that would, I guess, be the chase piece. All these are never opened. I got these from a buddy of mine in Japan. We did a huge trade, and I got these, and then I got two other sets from a different series from him, and I'll do, the one is the set that I already had, but I'll do the other set in a review video too, or just kind of a show and tell, I guess. Probably should have grabbed like a razor blade or something to open these. We'll use Legos for the Lego stand, which is a horrible idea. There. I gotta get something to cut it. Quality production, like Pooch Man always says. So anyway, we'll get this cut, get this out of here, and that is a pretty sick looking Hakasuka. I don't know if you can see that. Focus. Not really too much shit going on. Can you see that? Well, this is fucking terrible. This thing doesn't focus for shit. But anyway, so it's pretty sweet. It's pretty nice. Okay, so that's a red one. And on here shows the red one, so that one's not a chase piece. Alright, so let's get into another one. Probably gonna end up just destroying these boxes, which is kind of unfortunate because they're cool boxes. Sent one to K5. I don't even remember what I sent. I believe it was like a Laurel or a Cedric. I'm not sure. It's been a while. Okay, we got ourselves a Fair Lady Z in this one. Silver Fair Lady ZG. It's got the G-nose front end on it. Some sick flares on there. I think it's pretty nice. It's got I believe those are Laurel taillights. Not sure. Cozy might know. Oh, they might be out of a Sunny. I don't know. Or they could be out of a Ken Mary too. I don't exactly know. But that's pretty sick. So that one was right here. So that one's not a chase piece either. So we'll open another one. Destroying the boxes. Like the Series 7, there was like a pull tab that was on them that you could use, but these ones, they don't have that. unfortunate because you didn't totally destroy the boxes then. Okay. This one, we got another Fairlady ZV. This one's pretty sweet, like a burnt orange or Le Mans sunset kind of color. That's what it's called on the 350Z. It's pretty nice. And the details on these are pretty sweet too. It's got cool wheels. I wish they had a little bit more detail on them. But, yeah, pretty nice. Okay, and that one is right there. So that one's not a chase piece either. Okay. On to the next one. I do a two-part video. There are 12 cars, and I'm at 6 minutes already, and I only have 3 of them open. So, we'll see what happens. Okay, this is a GX61, which I believe is a Mark II. I think it's a Toyota. It's pretty sick. Maybe it's a Nissan, I don't know. You can't really see it very well because this damn tablet sucks for focusing. There it goes. Shake like a crackhead. It's pretty nice color. It's kind of like a pinkish red. But okay, that's the 4th one. Get another one going. Yeah, drop the razor blade. This video is probably kind of boring for you guys. I don't know. Oh, was that one on there? Yeah. It is right there. Ooh, this one's pretty sick. Okay, this one is a Mazda Rx 3. You guys see the Hot Wheels one that's coming out? It's on I was at the Japan Classic Car Show. This thing is pretty sick. Help if you guys can see it, huh? But yeah, this thing is awesome. Hot Wheels one is this one probably is gonna put that one to shame. That is pretty sick. And that one is right down here. So that one is also not a chase piece. Let's see, we got 5 of them there. So got another 7 to go. Alright guys, doing this as quick as I can. Maybe I should have opened them first before the video, but oh well. I just wanted you guys to be as surprised as I am if there's a chase piece. Okay, here is the counterpart to that red GX61. Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of car that is. So, Cozy, if you know, I mean, I can probably easily just search GX61, but if I figure that out, I'll leave it in the comments. I'm not fanboy enough to know exactly what it is, but that one's pretty sweet. I like the wing on that one. And that is also a regular one too, right there. Okay. Yeah, that worked a little bit better. Alright. Looks like we got another Aksuka or Akoska. Not exactly sure how you pronounce it. But I guess it's the U is silent in Japanese a lot, so this one is silver. That one is pretty sick. I think I like the red one better because the flares are painted, but the front end on this thing is sick. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to take these like off the bases and do like a better, you know, in-depth look at them. Okay, and that one is right there. Focus. Of course it won't. Right there. There it goes. Okay. Alright. Oops. Okay. Alright. Ooh, this one's nice. I like this one. This one is a HC130 Nissan Laurel. And that thing is sick. Look at that. It's a nice pink color. Some awesome headlights in there. Oops. Check that thing out. That is killer. That is nice. Okay. Okay. We got 4 more to go. Yellow Laurel. This one's nice too. Yeah, that pink one was not a chase piece. But here is its white counterpart. That one's pretty sick. I think I like the pink one better though. Just a regular white, it's not a pearl white. Simple, no flares. Awesome, awesome car. Okay. Next one is a Celica, I believe. Yep, it's like a Celica. Check this one out. That is sick. If I compare these to like a Hot Wheels, I would say it's probably a little bit smaller. But it's probably more accurate on scale though. So check that out. It's pretty sick. Okay, this is over here. 2 more to go. Ooh, here's the another Celica. This one's pretty nice too. The other one in there. Oh, the other one is the Rx Three. The last one should be the green Rx Three. That one's got a super nice color on it. I don't know if you can. It's pretty nice. Check that out. That is nice. Sick. Alright, last one, guys. Totally messed the box up on this one. Oh well. It's about the cars though, right guys? Should be a lime green RX3. And it is. So no chase piece. Oh well. And check that one out. That is pretty sick. I think I like the white one better though. But lime green isn't too bad. It's pretty cool. So anyway guys, let me know what you think about these. You like them? Think they're cool? My opinion on them is awesome. You know, I don't collect only Hot Wheels, so, you know, something different is a nice change to have in your collection. But let me know if you guys want me to take these off the bases and give you kind of a better look at them, you know, upside down, and, you know, what have you. But, alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.